Looking for the best smart TVs to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get started. Number 5. Hisense U6G. The Hisense U6G is more than just a TV, it's a gateway to an immersive viewing experience that can turn any room into a personal movie theater. Picture yourself relaxing on the couch, lights dimmed, and the bright colors and sharp clarity of the U6G pulling you into your favorite movies and shows. With 4K resolution and Dolby Vision HDR support, every scene comes to life, showing rich details and deep contrasts that make you feel like you're right in the action. But it's not just about picture quality, the U6G also offers great sound, making every whisper, explosion, and musical score feel real and adding to your overall experience. Thanks to built-in voice control, navigating apps and streaming services is easy. Just ask the TV, and it listens and responds. What makes the Hisense U6G stand out is its smart technology. You can stream your favorite shows and movies from popular platforms without needing extra devices. Its sleek, modern design with ultra-thin bezels means it fits nicely into any room, becoming a stylish part of your home decor. In a market full of choices, the Hisense U6G isn't just a TV, it's a complete entertainment experience that will enhance your home viewing. Number 4. TCL6 Series. The TCL6 series is a true game-changer in the world of televisions, seamlessly blending stunning visuals with impressive functionality. Imagine sitting down to watch your favorite movie or binge your latest series, only to be captivated by the vibrant colors and stunning contrast that this TV delivers. With its mini LED technology, the 6 series takes your viewing experience to a whole new level, offering deep blacks and brilliant highlights that make every scene come alive. But it's not just about the picture quality. The TCL6 series also boasts an intuitive interface that makes navigating through your favorite apps a breeze. Whether you're streaming the latest blockbuster or catching up on your favorite shows, the user-friendly design ensures that you spend less time searching and more time enjoying. Plus, with built-in support for major streaming platforms, you have endless entertainment at your fingertips. And let's not forget about the sound. The TCL6 series incorporates advanced audio technology that enhances your viewing experience even further, making you feel as if you're right in the middle of the action. Whether it's the roar of a crowd at a live sports event or the subtle nuances in a dramatic scene, the sound quality is sure to impress. With its sleek design, cutting-edge technology, and exceptional performance, the TCL6 series is not just a television. It's a centerpiece that adds sophistication to any room. Number 3. Sony Bravia XR880J. The Sony Bravia XR880J is not just a television. It's a stunning visual experience that captivates your senses. Imagine sinking into your couch and being greeted by breathtaking colors and vibrant details that almost leap off the screen. With its OLED technology, the A80J delivers deep blacks and luminous highlights, creating an immersive contrast that makes every scene come alive. But it doesn't stop there. This TV is powered by Sony's revolutionary cognitive processor XR, designed to mimic the way humans think and perceive. It analyzes content in a way that enhances depth, color, and clarity, making everything from blockbuster movies to nature documentaries a feast for the eyes. You'll find yourself noticing details you never picked up on before, as the processor intelligently optimizes the image and sound to suit the content. The A80J also offers incredible versatility. With its sleek, minimalistic design, it seamlessly blends into any living space, while its Google TV platform provides access to a vast library of streaming services, apps, and games. You can easily navigate through your favorite shows and discover new content with personalized recommendations tailored just for you. And let's not forget about the sound. With immersive audio technology, the A80J transforms your living room into a personal cinema where every whisper and explosion feels palpable. Coupled with Dolby Atmos support, you won't just watch the action, you'll feel like you're right in the middle of it. Number 2. LG C2 OLED TV. The LG C2 OLED TV is nothing short of a visual marvel that can transform your living room into a cinematic paradise. Imagine sitting back and immersing yourself in a stunningly vibrant world where every color pops with life and every detail sharpens your senses. With its cutting-edge OLED technology, the C2 delivers deep blacks and brilliant highlights, ensuring that every movie, game, or show you watch as a breathtaking experience, but it doesn't stop at just remarkable picture quality. The sleek, ultra-slim design of the C2 OLED makes it a standout piece in any home decor. Almost as if it's a work of art itself, waiting to catch the eye of anyone who enters the room. Plus, with its virtually bezel-less screen, you'll feel as though you're gazing into a window of another world. And let's talk about smart features. This TV is packed with them. Powered by LG's WebOS platform, it offers seamless access to your favorite streaming services, intuitive navigation, and an ever-growing library of apps, making it easier than ever to find something captivating to watch. With voice control capabilities, you can simply ask for what you want, making it a breeze to dive into your entertainment without lifting a finger. Whether you're an avid gamer or a film enthusiast, the LG C2 OLED TV caters to all with its advanced gaming features, including low input lag and variable refresh rates, which ensure smooth gameplay and an immersive experience. Number 1. Samsung QN9A. The Samsung QN9A is not just another television. It's a true game-changer in the world of home entertainment. Imagine immersing yourself in a visual experience so vivid and lifelike that you feel like you're right in the middle of the action. With its stunning Neo QLED technology, the QN9A delivers brilliant colors and impressive contrast that will make your favorite movies, shows, and games come to life in ways you've never seen before. But it doesn't stop there. The QN9A boasts an ultra-slim design that complements any living space, making it as much a piece of art as it is a high-performance display. Imagine hosting a movie night with friends or family. And as you turn on the QN9A, everyone's eyes widen in amazement at the incredible picture quality and the sheer beauty of the screen. Equipped with top-of-the-line features like Quantum HDR32X and an impressive 120Hz refresh rate, this TV is perfect for both casual viewers and avid gamers alike. The smooth motion and vibrant visuals make every scene breathtaking. Whether you're navigating through a fast-paced video game or enjoying a serene nature documentary, and let's not forget about smart features. The Samsung QN9A seamlessly integrates with your smart home ecosystem, allowing you to access streaming services, control your smart devices, and even use voice commands with ease. It's not just a TV. It's a gateway to a world of entertainment, all at your fingertips.